This module will explain the stepwise process of data entry for monthly service delivery on new HMIS housed at IHIP, that is Integrated Health Information Platform. After successfully updating facility and user profile, for subsequent login, user needs to click on the given URL. After clicking on the given URL, you will see a page like this. Click on the Sign In tab. On clicking Sign In tab, a login screen like this will flash. Put your username, password and CAPTCHA and click Sign In. After signing in, the following screen will appear. You can see a section named Last Reported, which mentions last data reported for daily data entry, monthly service delivery, and infrastructure and human resource. Click on Data Entry tab and then click Monthly Service Delivery. After clicking Monthly Service Delivery, following page will appear. The first part of the page is facility information, explaining about facility details. The second part on the page is monthly service delivery section. You can see date of entering data and a document number. In the document number, the first two digits is specific to state, followed by 3 digits which are specific to district, followed by 4 digits which are specific to sub-district, followed by 6 digits which are specific to village or ward or area, followed by 10-digit health facility NIN, which is National Identification Number. This is also specific for the health facility, followed by date in date, month and year format for daily data entry form, or month year in month year format for monthly service delivery form and infrastructure and human resource form, followed by form type. Here D indicates daily data entry, M indicates monthly service delivery data entry form, and I indicates infrastructure and human resource data entry form. Here you can see M because it's monthly service delivery form, followed by a number which indicates the form number of that particular date or month. There is a reporting month section to select the month for which the user wants to submit data. If you click the reporting month tab, you will see popping up window for a month calendar. Please click the appropriate month which the user wants to submit data for. There are different tabs in the monthly service delivery segment: Print, Export Excel, Preview and Submit on top and bottom of the section for convenience of data entry. Tabs highlighted in the red box at top and bottom serve the same purpose. If you click Print tab, clicking Print tab will direct user to another window where monthly service delivery report will be generated. User may download the PDF or can print it directly. If you click Export Excel tab, clicking on Export Excel tab will download the monthly service delivery report in Excel sheet. If you click Preview tab, on clicking Preview, a preview of monthly service delivery of the facility for the particular month will be displayed as shown. There is a search box facility to search particular indicator among list of indicators visible on the appearing page. Data entry form has three parts: Part A, Part B and Part C. Each part having many data elements or indicators which are further divided into major categories in the form of M1, M2, M3 and etc. These categories are distributed in the form of tabs on the page. User can click on one of the tabs as being shown below . Open those data elements of a particular category to do the data entry in the relevant data elements or indicators. Part A contains the data element of reproductive and child health, which ranges M1 to M13. Part B contains data element for health facility services, which ranges from M14 to M15. And Part C contains data element for stock, which ranges from M16 to M17. There is a red colored left arrow in the column heading which displays month year. Clicking on this arrow will open up the column showing the data for the month previous to reporting month for preview and comparison. On clicking the red arrow towards left, data of previous month would appear on left side of reporting month as shown below. Once you click on the red arrow towards right side in the column heading, which displays reporting month year tab, data of previous month would disappear. There is a column of remarks in which the user can put any comment in relation with the indicator. It is a good practice to submit data after entering data in each tab. Click on the tab, into data and click Submit. Click on the tab, into data and click Submit. Click on the tab, into data and click Submit. Means after feeding in data on each tab, that is M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 and likewise, it is a good practice to submit the entry after feeding in data on each tab to avoid data loss due to power or system failures. On clicking Submit tab, a pop-up window will ask a confirmation message. If user is sure that entered data is correct, if user is sure, please choose yes to submit the data. In case user is not sure, choose no to edit the data. On clicking yes and after successful submission of data, following message will appear on screen. Now, user can start entering other data like monthly or infrastructure data and can use other functions. In case users face trouble in entering the data for monthly service delivery, please dial 1-800-180-1104. This is our help desk number. After dialing in, please follow instructions to submit your query. Thank you.